Hi, I am Dr. K. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to this subject, software testing. In today's session, we are going to cover the topic parallel testing. Right? So now, the name itself indicates the goal or objective of testing, parallel testing. That means we have to do the testing parallel with two systems. Say here, see, the parallel testing is nothing but comparison of results from the two different systems. That means parallel testing will be conducted on two different systems at the same time. That is called parallel testing. What are these two different systems? These two different systems are old system versus new system, or old version versus new version. And this parallel testing will be also conducted manual versus automated testing. So this is done for comparison of the results. So why should we do this parallel testing? Say for example here, we are supposed to do the parallel testing on older version and new version. That means old system, new system. What do you mean is old system? The system or the application or the project which is already in existence. Which is already in existence. That is the older version or old system. What is a new system or new version? The features which are added extra to the existing system. Here the existing system is old system. See, generally the projects are of three types. One is development projects, second one is enhancement projects, third one is maintenance projects. Right? What do you mean by the enhancement projects? What do you mean by the enhancement? Adding the extra features or adding the extra functionalities to the existing system. That means the system is already existing. The system is here the project or the product, what we can say. For example, say any antivirus product. That antivirus product which is already existing. According to the requirement for the existing product, this antivirus product, we are adding the extra features or the functionalities. That is called enhancement. So the project or the product which is already in the market, which is already in the usage, is called existing system, which is called as a old system or older version. Now, see, for what purpose this parallel testing will be done? To determine whether the new version of the application or the new system performs correctly with reference to the existing system that is working correctly. So this is the main objective of parallel testing. That means, so we have to determine, software testing team has to determine whether the new application, that is new version of the application, is working properly or not, is working correctly or not with reference to the old system, with reference to the existing system. That means during the parallel testing, the software testing team will conduct the testing parallelly on both the new version of the application and older version of the application, or old project on the old project and new project. So, and also the parallel testing is performed to determine whether there is a consistency or inconsistency between the two systems. See here, why should we go for this consistency and inconsistency? Because already the old system is in usage, which is already working properly, which is already working correctly. For this old system, we have added the new features, we have added the extra functionalities to enhance the existing system. That is a newer version. See now, after adding these new features, or the extra functionalities to the old system, that will become new version. Now we have to test whether this new version is working properly or not, whether the new version is having the consistency or not with respect to the old version. So this is the aim, or this is the objective, or this is the goal of parallel testing. So this parallel testing will be used while accepting the new version or the new system. Whenever the new system or the new version is going to release in the market, then the software testing team has to do this parallel testing. And now, while doing this parallel testing, the same input test data should be used for both the systems. Why? Because we are cross-checking, or we are verifying whether the new version or the new system is working correctly or not with respect to the old system. That means for these both two systems, you have to use the same input test data. What do you mean with the test data? Input test data? The data which is used as an input to test that particular functionality. That is called input test data. The data which is used as an input to test that particular functionality, that is called input test data. So while doing this parallel testing, you are cross-checking these two systems. While doing this cross-checking, you have to use the same input test data for both the systems. If really the new system demands the modification in the input test data, yes, you can do this modification on this particular input test data. But that modification to that particular input test data should be within the criteria of that particular functionality. That is very important. And also, the new system is used in parallel with the existing system for a certain period. That means, after adding the new features or the extra functionalities to the existing system, here the existing system is old system. So you have to use the new system parallelly with the existing system for a certain period of time, maybe for 1 month or 2 months or for 3 months. It depends upon the situation. Right? So that is the meaning of this one. The new system is used in parallel with the existing system for a certain period. And through cross-checking of this outputs and a comparison with the outputs from the existing system. So that means, that we have to do the thorough cross-checking. We have to do the thorough cross-checking of the outputs. After cross-checking the outputs, and of course we have to do the comparison with the outputs from the existing system to the old system. So the main objective or the main goal of this parallel testing, if they ask you in the interview, what is the main goal or what is the main objective, what is the necessary or what is the necessity of doing this parallel testing, means you have to cover all these points. This is very important. So predominantly the parallel testing will be done to determine whether the new version of the application or the new systems are working properly or not with respect to the old system or the existing system. And you have to check whether the consistency is there in between the two systems or not. That we have to check. And also the same input data must be used for both the systems during the parallel testing. And what is the main objective? You have to cross-check the outputs of the old system with new system. Right? This is about parallel testing, which is very, very important. So please subscribe my channel, share my videos to all the student community, and like my sessions, and please post your comments in the comment box so that I will come to know your feedback on my sessions. Thank you.